Hello friends, welcome to my Coin City YouTube channel. The year 2021 turned out to be the wealthiest season for altcoins as most of them have outperformed the most dominant asset Bitcoin. One such asset that amazed the crypto space with massive price spikes in Q1 was the FTX token. The FTX is built on the ERC20 token and being a crypto derivatives exchange, aims to provide institutional-grade solutions by offering futures, leveraged tokens, and over-the-counter (OTC) trading. What is FTX token? FTX is a crypto derivatives trading ecosystem that owns a native token termed FTT. The token can be utilized as collateral for futures trading, earning commissions on trading fees, getting over-the-counter rebates, and more. The platform solves the existing problems associated with futures trading. On the other exchanges present in the market, the collateral is divided across separate token wallets. However, FTX derivatives are stablecoins settled and need a only universal margin wallet to limit future positions from getting liquidated. Fundamental analysis. FTX token was launched by Sam Bankman-Fried and Gary Wang on May 8, 2019. The founder completed his bachelor's degree from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Sam Bankman-Fried is also the present CEO of the FTX network and accumulated experience at Center for Effective Altruism as Director of Development. The co-founder is also the present CEO of Alameda Research and was also an investor at Jane Capital from 2014 to 2017. Another co-founder, Gary Wang. Prior to this, he completed his internship at Facebook as a software engineer. Another co-founder, Gary Wang, completed his graduation from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology in Computer Science and Mathematics. The co-founder previously gained experience as a software engineer at Google. He currently works as Chief Technology Officer at crypto derivatives exchange platform FTX. FTX Price Prediction 2022. The FTT price sliced through 50 days MA owing to the death cross earlier this year. The bulls have managed to gain momentum at $39.41, opening their positions at a 6-month low. Whilst RSI has also taken a bullish divergence, FTT is likely to clear above barriers to rise above $50. If it undergoes a supercycle like the one it had in Q1 2021, it may rise up to $75 in Q1. FTX token seems to be a good investment choice for the long term. The rest of the year is going to be the game changer for FTX token. If bulls overtake the market for a certain period of time, the price may also reach $100 if it remains immune against inflation. In the worst case scenario, if adverse negative sentiments hurt the price action, then it may end up trading around $51.29 by the year's end. FTT Price Prediction 2023. The year would remain challenging as inflation fears might impact the market for the next 2 years. If it comes up with suitable upgrades inclined with a trend, FTT price remains invulnerable to bears. The asset would hit a maximum of $97.85. However, if bears haunt the rally, the altcoin would settle down around $60s. FTX Price Prediction next 5-year. When predicting the price for the long term, it is implicit to analyze its historical footprints and how it behaves when bears overtake the market. FTX token has responded well enough to the recent market fluctuations with no major dip. So, this secure and fast network has the potential to reach $200.35 by the end of the next 5 years. As the coin fails to introduce new upgrades and regulatory constraints across different territories, this may result in a pullback of the price rally to $115.58. Considering all aspects, the altcoin could trade at an average price of $137.45. Our price prediction. The FTX token seems to be unstoppable with a series of events lined up for launch. This platform is the best suited investment in the current uncertain market scenario. According to Coin City formulated FTT price prediction, the altcoin would continue buzzing its milestones with constant upgrades this year. It may smash $71.78 by the end of 2021.